Hello everyone, welcome to iFocus Tutorials. In this video, I will explain the basic structure of C program. So, if you are new to C programming language and you are thinking of how to start your first C program, then this video will surely help you to understand how you can start writing your program. So first, whenever we start writing any program, it is always a good practice to mention the title of the program. So this is mentioned in the documentation section. So basically, this documentation section includes the comments, and the comments are not at all processed by the compiler. So you can write the comments in two ways. First is a single line comment, and second is a multi-line comment. So whatever are written in between these lines, all are considered as comments. So in this section, you may include the title or the date on which the changes are made, or the person name who has made the changes. Next is the link section. So in this section, we include our preprocessor directives. Like the common directive which we use for most of the programs is #include stdio.h. So what this means, basically hash is used to indicate that it is a preprocessor directive, which means it will process the statement before the start of the compilation. Now, what this statement says, so stdio.h file needs to be included for our respective program. The stdio.h stands for standard input and output, and .h indicates that it is a header file. Next section is the definition section. In this section also we include the preprocessor directive like #define. Suppose for our entire program we need to assign a value. So we can write #define. Let's say the variable name is pi and the value that we want to assign is 3.14. So basically this means that we are giving a constant value for our variable pi. Next is the global declaration section. In this we include the global variables or the function declaration which can be used anywhere in the scope of the program. I will cover this concept more clearly when I will cover functions topic. Next is the main function. Now every C program will have a main function, and in this we need to write our actual logic, or we can say the body of the main function. Last are the subprogram section. So you can include as many subprograms as you want. So this is the structure of the C program, and now you can start writing your first program. So we will see a simple C program in the upcoming video. Till then, thanks for watching and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment.